like you. I do.
Here they go, ladies and gentlemen. 2019 Parade. Give them a wave, please back down. Watch they make their nice cruise to our left. Straight up to the squad leader John Turner, JT joined the Royal Air Force in 1993. Operations in Bosnia, Iraq and Afghanistan, most recently in the Caribbean in 2017, after the Hurricane Relief. The aircraft is down by left, watch as the nose speeds up 45 degrees and complete a pedal turn to the left.
I've done it rim twice.
It's a difficult point for JT. He's unable to move around all day from the front. He's rapidly scanning sideways to ensure he has the correct pitch in the climb while keeping wing level. This maneuver allows the crew to turn quickly, dissipating energy and allowing the aircraft to turn with minimal ground track. While closing now, nose is pulled up again by 45 degrees, into the roller coaster. Squadron in 2016 as a member of the Viking flight. He recently completed his first operational deployment to Mali with our French allies.